Hello, I'm Michele of Artisan Alchemy. I'd like to talk you through some of the uses of these Quikart templates that you can buy from Metal Clay Limited. They come in lots of different designs, but on each template you have the same design replicated 3 times. You've got a small, a medium and a large version. So if I just measure the small version on this one, and of course the sizes will vary depending on the design that you buy, but in this particular one, the smaller of the 3 is about 1.5 inches from top to bottom, which is about 6 centimetres, or the larger one, which is about 2.5 inches, which equates to approximately 10 centimetres. When using silver art clay, the small and the medium versions I find incredibly useful for pendants, for earrings, and if you wanted a huge cocktail ring, then one of these on the top would look fantastic. Copper art clay, for example, you could use for the bigger one to get a huge brooch, and that would look lovely. You don't just have to use these as a stencil or a template to replicate this design though. As you can see from this template, you've got lots of different size circles. So if you wanted to add lots of circles to a piece, you could cut them out using this. You've also got this lovely wavy line that goes around all the different pendants. And in fact, you can see the top here is slightly a different shape from going around the side. You could cut out 3 or 4 of those and have them hanging from a bar for a pendant, and that would look really effective. You can use these with polymer clay as well, so you're not just using them for metal clay and any other medium that you can think of really. These wipe clean, and they're absolutely great to use. I'm going to show you one of the other designs that I've got. This one I think looks quite Celtic as well as industrial. And I want to make a pendant actually out of the smaller one. You can see again you've got the smaller, medium and larger versions, and in this one the shapes that you can cut out are absolutely fantastic. You've got a W on this one, for example, you've got some L shapes, you've got a V, you've got some squares, you've got something that looks a bit like a Batman shape or a bat, and that's fantastic. So you've got endless possibilities with that particular one. And then another one, this one here, is a modern flower design. Again, you can see small, medium and large version. I've already used the small one to make a silver art clay pendant. To make this pendant, I cut out 2 shapes and sandwiched them together. One with the inside bits cut out, and then I sandwiched them together to give me recesses. In the recesses, I filled these with metal gilding flakes and then topped them with a UV resin to seal them in. If you like the idea of doing this, I'm going to do another video that shows you how to do this, but instead of using the gilding flakes, I'm going to use some UV resin, coloured resins, and top them with a clear resin to seal them in using a UV lamp.